Sometimes a writer will provide information about an idea, but not come right out and tell you what to think. When this happens, the writer is wanting you to draw a conclusion. In this sentence, the writer does not tell you how Haley is feeling. Instead, you are given clues. One clue we have about Haley is that her heartbeat has sped up. Another clue the writer wants us to use is that her hands began to sweat. These clues help us to draw the conclusion that Haley is feeling nervous. Writers often do this to better connect us to the writing. It allows the reader to conclude what word best fits the situation. What are some other words that might also describe how Haley is feeling? Again, make sure the conclusion you draw fits the clues. You might also say that Haley is feeling anxious, worried, or uneasy. The writer never tells us exactly how Haley is feeling, but we can use the clues from the text to draw our own conclusion.